Hey guys, so I have been in need of a CRM majorly for my art gallery business, Bow and Art Reserve. I've been quoted insane prices. One of them was even $30,000. I found Pulse by XALON and I'm going to get this info over to them and then they're going to build me out a snapshot of my business totally for free. So let's go through it together. So business name, website, email address, I do have a business one, but I can't remember it, so I'm just going to use my personal. I actually decided instead I'm going to go to notes and I'm going to go to notes actually and type this and then copy and paste. I think it'll be easier. Okay, so now I'm on notes and I'm just going to describe my business in whole and then copy and paste it over. So the more details you add, the better. So in this case, I'm just going to copy and paste because I've already answered that. So I'm not necessarily sure about issues per se, but I mean, who wouldn't love more sales, right? So now I'm just going to paste that back in. Tell me any specific pricing plans I might need to know or anything else. So I don't have any subscriptions or anything like that. I am right here going to mention the methods of payment that I take. So right here I've already answered this. What about your employees or professionals? Do you need to communicate with them often? Can you give me some details? An assistant would definitely be nice, but it's just me. Okay, I'm gonna review Bow and Art Reserve, bowandartreserve.com. I really need to do the hyperlink. Let's see here. I'm just gonna go ahead and fix that. Okay, perfect. Alright, looks good. So I'm gonna send it to Pulse and get my free Snapshot back. Like I said earlier, every other place I talked to is quite expensive, and one CRM company even quoted me $30K. So let's see how this goes, and I'll get you guys a copy of my Snapshot. Stay tuned. Okay guys, I am back, and I now have my Snapshot. It took about 5 minutes to get sent over, so I'm gonna open it up with you all. I'm so excited. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see here. Setup guide. Okay, XALON General Account Setup Guide. It walks you through the essential setup steps. That's what we need. Okay. Oh wow, so it literally shows you exactly the tabs to click. Okay. Activate labs features, enable all beta, add staff and calendars. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh wow. It literally tells you how to buy a phone number. That's really cool. Register for A2P compliance. Okay. Communication setup, email, domain, and templates. Okay. Set up branded domain for all the links. Create message templates. Wow. Create messages with custom values, save for use. Okay. Marketing and payment integration. Connect social platforms. Go to marketing, social planner, connect Facebook, Instagram, and Google business profile. Okay. Review and set up reputation management. Okay. Enable text and email review requests, custom links. Connect Stripe and create products. Okay, document management and custom configuration. Create proposal and invoice templates. That's really cool. Wow, okay. Configure custom values. I'm getting a phone call, sorry guys. Okay, enable missed call text back. That's cool, you guys. Okay, this is really, really cool. And I got this all for free. This is insane. Okay, payment processing and web presence. Okay, so test the text to pay and the tap to pay. That's cool. Activate lead generation funnel. Okay, customize and publish their website. Go to sites, websites, content creator site, update services, enable chats. Wow, so they literally walk you through step by step. This is incredible. So they're showing me how to configure my calendars, how to activate the workflows. So basically everything is going to be automated, which is really, I'm going to save a lot of time. Final testing and review. So test the snippets, the video replies, and the text to pay. Review the pipeline and the calendars. Okay, so they basically have gone through and summarized what I told them and included the issues I'm having. And then it says there's a noticeable gap between visibility, like Instagram or ads, and actual revenue. That's true. The sales pipeline needs structure and automation. XALON solves this by organizing the entire lead and customer journey. Okay, awesome. So then it's going to go through and tell me, and then it says the result, you reclaim lost sales, save 20 to 40 hours a month. Oh my god, you guys. That's worth every penny right there. And eventually eliminate 80% of manual follow-up. Wow. Okay, incredible. Okay, now it's going to go through the opportunity pipeline stages. So prospects, which is discovery, finding people, I guess. The first contact, nurturing. So that's basically the leads that opened the emails. The active buyer, that needs curation. So basically they're going through stage by stage and literally setting all of this up for me. So contact tags, these are the tags I'm gonna add. The forms, the widgets, and the calculators. So there's gonna be a gallery inquiry, an art finder concierge, and an Instagram DM bot. That would be awesome. I actually spend low-key a lot of time back and forth messaging potential clients on Instagram, and a lot of times it leads to no sales. So that would be nice if a bot did that. Landing page strategy. Okay, cool. So that's, I guess, for the website. Drip campaign. Ooh, okay. See, this is really what I need because I desperately need marketing help. So this 10 email format basically gives you exactly the subjects and exactly what you're going to put in the email. There's a re-engagement campaign that's going to be 5 emails, and it's automatically triggered. So this one's going to be triggered by no engagement for 30 plus days. And then the goal is to reactivate the interest. That is incredible. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and I'm going to create all these emails, literally like copy and paste basically. And then on the back end, it's going to be automated, and it's going to keep note every time. So let's say, you know, someone doesn't open the email or they haven't really engaged with it, it's going to send them a second one automatically. I love that. Community rooms are optional. Okay, so it's not activated yet, but it's going to be introduced later. Okay, so if I did have one, it could be the Bowen Collector's Circle. It's kind of fun. Okay, then I've got events and a booking calendar, which that's really nice. Automations, workflows 1 through 5. Wow, so new content, 14-day drip, inquiry form, concierge form, Instagram DMs, and then after 2 days, that's really nice. Automations, workflows 6 through 10. So clicked 2 emails, they're going to be tagged as interested, and then engagement tracking identifies leads showing consistent interest through email interactions. Awesome. So these are just all the different tags and things that they're going to end up doing based on who does what. Okay, so workflows 11 through 15. Inactive lead, I'm going to send them a $250 coupon. Okay, that I feel like should get somebody on board, right? 1 year anniversary, started form but didn't submit, auction source, engaged. Okay, this is really, really in depth. Wow. I mean, you guys, so far 20 workflows. This is insane. And I got this all for free. I think this is gonna work. I'm excited. Okay, automatic system conclusion. So the setup fully transforms Bowen Art Reserve system for marketing automation, fulfillment tracking, and lead generation. All workflows are scalable and ready for future team growth. Everything is built for plug-and-play execution. XALON is now active. Let art meet automation. I'm so excited. Okay, well, I hope that really helped you guys. I am so excited, so I'm going to get to it. You guys should check out Pulse by XALON.